previous video I have told you all about the rules of I have told you previous video that what is a singular, okay, a singular and plural, okay. So now and singular and plural I have told you previous video. If you are in my new channel, you can subscribe my channel, and then I have given you in the description link about that use of am, is and are. And now I am here tell you example, okay. So let's start. First of all, I am remembering you something else which we have done previous video. We have done a previous video and person, singular and plural. First person, second person and third person. Okay. And what is the first person? Previous video I have told you that first person is I, okay, in singular, okay, in singular, and in plural first person what should be? We, okay, we, here you. We, how it's singular? Because it's plural. I know it's plural, but it's singular. Keep in mind whatever I'm going to tell you. Like it is a group, okay. We can say only one group, okay. So here if we say, so we cannot say like I. We say that we are, okay. So it's singular but in plural. Group is a one, not is more. It is only one group. That's why we use we, only singular. It is a singular person, okay. And second person what should be? I have told in previous video. Second person is she, he, where she for use girls and he for use boys, and it and names, okay. It's second person, and second person in plural what should be in second person? You, okay. You, keep in mind. You. In second subject what should become? You. Second person in plural what should become? You. Because I, if other people will come, so it's become second person, okay. Like I'm talking about others, so that is another boy should, it's second person because she is talking about yourself, on self, okay. And third person what should becomes? You in singular, okay, you. And third person what should become? They and the boys. I have told you in previous video, but now I am remembering you again. The boys. In plural, they are. Okay, there are many boys. There are many peoples. Okay, they are very happy. It's not. It's only. It is not. It is not only one. It is a plural. Or it's third person. Okay. And now I'm going to give you example for this sentence. Whatever I have wrote here. Okay. Oh, sorry. So गीता कमजोर है. I have wrote example in Hindi and I am going to translate in English. And listen very careful and understand very careful. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Okay. So गीता कमजोर है. What should be in English? As keep in mind, it's second person. I have told you here. Okay. Geeta what should become with Geeta is okay. Is here Geeta is weak. Okay. Full stop. मैं सही हूँ. So what should be right? I with I use am. Okay. It is a we can say helping verb. Okay. I helping verb because who? I am right. Okay. What was the third example? तुम बुद्धिमान हो. Keep in mind it's third singular also and in plural second you. Okay. In second third plural and in third singular is you. What should become with you? Are. I have told you in previous video. In description have given you link and you can go and check it out. Okay. That video. Here only I am giving you example. Okay. तुम बुद्धिमान हो. So what should become? You are. Wish. We can say intelligent, but we should know other words. Okay. Wish. वे अमीर है. So what should become? You can say she and he also. He is rich. Okay. Rich. वे अच्छे. It's not. I'm talking. It is not singular. In plural, it is third person. Okay. They are good. Okay. वे डरपोक है. It's third person. Keep in mind. Third persons and we use they. Okay. In Hindi we can say we. In English we say says they. So they timid. They are timid. Okay. And I'm going to give rules. Okay. So what is the rules of that? The rules of in affirmative we can say simple rules. subject plus helping verb. Verb plus object. Okay.